Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making the Cheesecake Factory's Cajun Jambalaya pasta. This recipe calls for shrimp, chicken, Cajun seasoning, red onion, bell peppers, and tomatoes. I took some boneless skinless chicken breasts and cut them into 1-inch pieces, then tossed them in some Cajun seasoning. Add the chicken to a heated pan with olive oil and cook until it's about halfway done. My pan isn't large enough, so I'm removing the chicken to make room for the other ingredients. Next, add the onions, peppers, and shrimp to the pan. Cook until the shrimp is about halfway done, then add the garlic to the pan and the rest of the seasonings, the salt, black pepper, and more Cajun spice. I returned the chicken back to the pan so that I could cook a little bit longer and so that I could add the seasonings to it. The recipe doesn't call for sausage, but I decided to add some in. Now add in the diced tomatoes. This recipe calls for diced Roma tomatoes, but I only had cherry tomatoes. Then add in your chicken broth to the pan. Now I'm going to cook my pasta in some boiling salted water and cook until al dente. So I think I added in too much chicken broth, but this would be really good with rice as well, and the rice would soak up the sauce. I placed the pasta into the serving bowl and then added the jambalaya on top of the pasta. The Cheesecake Factory says that this recipe yields 2 servings. They must be talking about those large Cheesecake Factory portions. So if you really are going to split this into 2, go ahead and load up that jambalaya on your pasta. I was able to split up this recipe into about 4 to 5 servings. Now I'm just sprinkling on some dried parsley. The recipe asks for fresh parsley, but I only had dried. I'm also adding on a little more heat with some crushed red pepper flakes. Alright friends, here's the final product. So I would say overall that this recipe was good, but there's a little too much salt for my liking. Let me know in the comments what your favorite Cheesecake Factory recipe is. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video. See you next time.